All right, so now you've got your site created here, and there's a couple things that you're going to want to do. First, you're going to want to go to Appearance and Themes, and this is where you can choose a theme. So these are themes that are automatically come with WordPress, and you can search for different themes here if you want to add new. And then you can search, or you can filter by popular themes. There are tons of different themes, so my advice is don't get stuck on the theme right now. What you really want to do is start getting going on the content. So I'm going to type minimal here. I'm just going to look for a minimal theme. Okay, so let's choose this one. We're going to install this. It's a two-step process when you're adding a new theme. You're going to first install it, and then you're going to activate it. So we've done that. And then if you go right here, you can visit your site. So if you right click and open this in a new tab, you'll be able to see what the site looks like now. And if you click refresh, you'll be able to see that. So we got that activated. Under pages, you've got a couple pages here. This is the front page. We're actually going to delete that, and we're going to delete the sample page. For example, you can have an about page here, and you can type, whatever you want about your new page. So you can just describe yourself. It's very easy to add new content. And then when you want to click update, you'll save that. And on the posts, it'll come with a default post as well, hello world, and you're going to trash that. Now we're going to see what our page looks like. So we don't have our first post. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add a new post so we can see what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to publish it. And then when I click refresh, you're going to see our first post here. And this is what it looks like. So we're in the sidebar here, got information about us down here, and you can start creating your content. People can leave a comment here if they want. And this part is controlled by the widgets, right? So this is your main content, your main post content. This is your navigation bar. And here is the widget. So I'm going to show you how you can edit the widget area. It's under appearance and then widgets. And you'll see the sidebar here. So I've added a picture, and then there's some text about me. And if we want to show you, let me just delete that and show you how that's done. So some themes come with default information, default tabs here in the sidebar. If you don't want something like that, they often come with the meta, which is your login information, you can just delete that. And we can drag an image in, and then we can use this. You can just upload it from your computer, and we can add that to the widget. You can link it somewhere, or you don't have to. And this will just put a little title above it. And then we can put some text below it. We can just put so you can just type, a little bio there. Just something so people can get to know you. And if you want to link out to something, you certainly can do that. But if we click refresh, you'll see that now it's got the image here, and it's got the new text that we put there. So right now with this, you've got everything you need to start blogging and creating content. We're going to have more training in the back office on how to customize a lot of this stuff, and some other stuff that you can do with the blog. But this should get you started for right now. Remember, the most important thing is to go out there, get your blog started, and start creating content. You can do it. We'll see you in the back office.